What's up beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is about how do you prepare your bike for the ultimate dream ride, the Leh Ladakh ride. So there are few changes that I have done on my bike, and those are the changes I'm going to share with you guys so that it will be helpful for you to make those changes. But it depends on what bike do you have. But if you have a cruiser, an Avenger, a Bullet, a or any other cruiser bikes, this video is really very helpful for you. So without wasting much of the time, let's get started with a vlog. So the very first thing that I added was the CREE LED lights. ये मैंने इसके लिए ऐड किया to have a better vision on road, because when you're traveling to Leh there be high chances of you doing a night ride or evening ride, और जब आप रात को या शाम को राइड करोगे तो you need a clear vision. अपना जो stock headlamps है उसका power इतना नहीं है. So because of these LED lights I get a clear vision on the road, and it is brilliant. And like the vision, like the throw of these lights are amazing. I bought these lights for 2,500 rupees 2 years back and it is still running great. So this is the first thing that I added on my bike for a better vision, a CREE lamps. So the next thing which I changed on my bike are my tires. So usually with my Avenger I got a tube tire. It was not a tubeless tire. So I changed my tire to tubeless. So these are TVS tires, and the front and the rear tire both costed me around 4,500 rupees. Now it's already been 30,000 kilometers जो मैंने stock tire के साथ चला चुका था, and it was almost gone. Just 10% of it was remaining, so I didn't take a risk and I changed my tires. So the cost of these two tires are 4,500 rupees. It's a tubeless tire, and I changed it because to have a better grip on the road. The next thing is the best part which I like about my bike are my seats. So these are the bucket seats, and with the backrest. So इसका explanation I don't think I should give you, because a backrest is for basically to have a comfortable smoothing ride when you sit. If you have a backrest तो long एक बोलते हैं ना लंबा सफ़र आप आराम से तय कर सकते हैं and without having much of back issues. So a backrest is the best thing that you can have it on your motorcycle, and it is really advisable to do that, because if you're riding from your destination to Ladakh, and it will be around 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers, so that's why a bucket seat with a backrest is something which is advisable for a long ride, and the cost of this was 2,500 rupees. Okay, the next which I added are these go-on chargers. So the go-on chargers costed me around 600 rupees, and it is useful for charging all my devices. Okay, so remember guys, whenever you go for such a long ride, always check your bike up with a very good mechanic. If you have a local mechanic who knows your bike in and out, so that will be really very good, because you need to service your bike properly. Check your spark plugs, check your coils, check your chain sprocket, which is necessary. So have a proper servicing of the bike. Complete in and out checkup of the bike is really very necessary. And if you can go for a very good engine oil as well, which can last for at least 6 to 7,000 kilometers. If you put a normal oil which is like a semi-synthetic or something which will last you just 3,500 kilometers, so it's better you go for a little expensive, a little higher version of your engine oil, and which will last you around 7 to 8,000 kilometers. And always carry extra oil, so that जब भी टाइम मिले आप टॉप अप कर, अगर लेवल लो हो जाएगा तो आप टॉप अप कर सकते हो. So always carry extra engine oil with you. Okay, the next thing, always check your chain sprocket. अगर उसका like the chain is proper with the teeth, everything is fine, then no need to change. But if a chain का teeth वो बोलते हैं ना घिस गया रहेगा, या आपका chain loose घड़ी हो रहा है, so always check. So change it up, and always check before you go for a longer ride, because अगर chain रास्ते में टूट जाएगा, so there is a lot of trouble. So always check your chain sprocket, because that is really very necessary, especially the chain and the teeth. Next, and the most important part is to check your braking. Let it be your brake pads, liners, disc brakes, जो भी आपके सिस्टम है बाइक का, ब्रेकिंग ज़रूर चेक करना, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. अगर उसमें गड़बड़ है तो my friend, you're in a very big trouble. By the time you guys watch this video, I'm already on my way to Ladakh from Mumbai, and If you guys very new to my channel, do press a subscribe button. And if you want to watch my inside stories of my road trip from Mumbai to Ladakh, that's my Instagram channel name. The link is in the description as well, so you can go there, click on the description box, and you'll start following me on my Instagram. So you will enjoy the stories of my road trip from Mumbai to Leh Ladakh. Saying that, thank you so much guys for staying tuned to my channel. Always remember to ride with your helmets on and buckle up when you drive. God bless you all. I'll see you soon with the upcoming vlogs.